Okay, what we have for sale is my Downeaster 38-foot overall, 32-foot model cutter sailboat. Real heavy displacement. Everything's oversized on this boat. Oversized fuel tanks, water tanks, oversized engine, oversized rigging, oversized bow pulpit to put heavy ground tackle and anchors on. It's made for wherever you want to go. Very good condition. These vessels are highly sought after, the Downeasters. Made for ocean cruising, wherever you want to go, on a budget. Real heavy displacement, you'll never spill your drink on it.